How to install and register the Print2Email server. To install the Print2Email, users must have administrative privileges for the computer. To start the installation, go to the directory where the installer has been downloaded and run Print2Email Setup Server executable as an administrator. The Install Shield wizard will install the downloaded version of the Print2Email to your computer. Click Next to continue. On the next window, please read and accept the Black Ice license agreement and click Next to proceed. On the appearing window, you can select if the Print2Email should create a Start menu icon for every user or only for the current user on the computer. Press Next to continue. The next step is to specify the installation directory. You can change it by using the Browse button or proceed with the default installation path. Click Next to continue. On the next window, you can specify the name of the program folder that Print2Email will be listed under. Enter a new folder name if necessary, or proceed with the default folder name. The setup will now copy the program files to the computer. At the next step, you can choose the output directory where the printed documents will be placed. Environment variables also can be used as an output path. Please note that users must have write permission to the output folder. The next step is to choose the file type for the email attachments. The selected file format will be the default for every user on the computer. The file type can be changed later in the Print2Email Control Center. Click Next to continue. On the next window, you can configure the default email provider. At the top of the window, the installer offers two options for managing email providers. If the Set the email provider as default for all users option is checked, the selected email provider will be applied to every user on the computer. If the Ask Me Every Time for an email provider checkbox is selected, the Print2Email will prompt for an email provider on each print. In this example, we will select the Outlook or MAPI-compatible client option, which will send printed documents with MAPI-compatible applications, for example, Outlook, Office 365, or Windows Live Mail. Feel free to choose the SMTP mail server or any predefined email providers. You can configure these options later in the Print2Email Control Center. Click on the Next button to proceed. Now the setup is complete. In the next window, you can check any of the preferred options. For example, by checking the Download and Install the Black Ice TIFF Viewer option, you can take advantage of Black Ice Software's image viewer application for TIFF and PDF. If everything was set, click Next to continue. On the next window, click on the Finish button to complete the installation. Registering the Print2Email server. To activate the Print2Email with a serial number, please run the application as an administrator. If you are using an evaluation version, a pop-up window will show up at every start, which allows you to activate, purchase a license in the online store, or continue using the evaluation version. Alternatively, you can also register on Print2Email's About tab. Press the Activate button. On the appearing window, please enter the purchased serial number and press the OK button. To check if the registration was successful, please restart the Print2Email and navigate to the About tab in the Control Center. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, please visit www.blackice.com.